Now let us solve this question. The first thing you need to cross multiply. Bring the n this side, so then you'll have 6n squared is equal to 25 multiply with n minus 1. 6n squared is equal to 25n minus 25. Then bring the 25 on this side and the negative 25. We'll have 6n squared minus 25n plus 25 is equal to 0. When you bring the numbers to this other side, you change the signs. Then you solving them, there are three methods you can use. You can use the completing square method, you can use the quadratic formula, or you can use the factorization method. In my case, I'll use the factorization method. Get two numbers, A and B. When I add them, I get what is here, which is negative 25. The same numbers, when I multiply them, I get the product of 6 and 25, which is 150. I get the two numbers from the factors of 150. So 2 factors of 150, which when I add them, I'll get negative 25. When I multiply them, I'll get 150. That is 15 and 10. And both should be negative because you see the product is negative and the sum is negative, but the product is positive. So negative 15 times negative 10. Then these two numbers, you replace 25 with them. So you'll have 6n squared minus 15n minus 10n plus 25 is equal to 0. I pair. What is common here is 3n. Divide by 3n, you are left with 2n minus 5. Minus, what is common is 5. I divide by 5, I get 2n. Negative and positive is negative. Where 25 divided by 5 is 5 is equal to 0. Outside the bracket, we have 3n minus 5, then 2n minus 5 is equal to 0. Then I pick every bracket. I pick 3n minus 5 equals 0. 3n is equal to 5. When I take 5 to this negative 5 to this other side, it will be positive. Our n in this case is 5 over 3. Then 2n minus 5 equals 0. 2n is equal to 5, n is equal to 5 over 2. And that is how you solve that quadratic that equation, and then you're able to arrive at the answer. Maybe I can say on the method that you use. You see, I already told you there are three methods, so it's up to you. When the question has not specified the method that you're supposed to use, pick the best. If it's the formula, use the formula. If you're good at completing the square, use the completing square. If you're good at factorizing, use the factorizing method. And then for this factorizing method, you have to be very fast at thinking, at coming up with the two numbers which you are supposed to replace here. Otherwise, quadratic equation is a very common question in the KCSE, either directly or indirectly. Thank you.